Now come to the second one, which is 2219 alloys. These are just a name. Okay, so compositions that 6.3% copper and 0.3% magnesium and minor amount of other elements. So I mean, you can see 3.3% of magnesium and few elements could be there in that alloy as well, but that would be of a very small fraction. So 0.3% is also in itself is a small, right? And less than that also some other few elements are there. That's why it is not mentioned here. Okay, on because the major parts is the copper and magnesium. So in this case, the copper, you are having more copper as compared to the previous one, 2024. In 2024 we are having 4.3% copper. Here we are having 6.3% copper. This means here we are increasing the copper. If it has an increase, you can easily think about the strength would be of this particular types would be higher than that of 2024, because the copper element the quantity of the copper has been increased in alloy. It means they are having more strength, but at the same time the ductility will be decreased. Okay, so here you can say the first property, high strength at the elevated temperatures. Okay, good weldability, we can easily weld it. Okay, so welding property would be enhanced. Lower corrosion resistance than 2024. Okay, so corrosion resistance is going to be decreased. Why? Here the copper has an increase. Okay, so these are the application. If we talk about application, the cryogenic tanks, aerospace component, and fuel tanks.